हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। सो फैंटास्टिक्स, जैसे कि आप लोगों ने ऑलरेडी थंबनेल में देख लिया है, सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू फिक्स सम ओल्ड स्लाइम टुडे एंड मैं उसके साथ साथ थोड़े से स्लाइम मेकओवर भी ट्राई कर रही हूँ। सो या दिस इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक fixing old slimes from like 2-3 months or like 4-5-6 months and also giving my slime some slime makeovers. So yeah, that is the theme of this video. Since मैंने इस टाइप का वीडियो नहीं किया है एंड बहुत सारे स्लाइमर्स और बहुत स्लाइम इन्फ्लुएंसर्स ने ऑलरेडी ये वाला ट्रेंड कर चुका है, सो आई थॉट आई एम इन अ पोजिशन कि मैं अभी ये वाले स्लाइम फिक्सेशन वाले कर सकती हूँ. आई थिंक आई हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. सो या फैंटास्टिक्स, आज हम लोग हमारी स्लाइम फिक्स करने वाले हैं एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू गाइज सम वेरी 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 नाइस एंड वेरी ब्यूटिफुल slimes. So make sure you guys are subscribed and your notifications are also on. So मैं जब भी कोई further upload करूँगी तो वो आपको notifications में आ जाएगा. Without talking too much, let's get started. So fantastics, here are two examples of old slimes. So this one is, both of them are clear slime. In the video you guys might not see it, but this is like very orangey on top and like it's not really disgusting, but it looks very bad in real life. Here it just looks like a green, deep green color, but it doesn't smell that bad because it has a lot of scent. And this one is the Christmas slime I made. Here is the video, so you guys can check out how to make the slime. But this slime is really gross on top. I don't think you guys can see. Yeah, I think now you guys can see. It has a very orangish shade on top, which is like not good at all. And yeah, that's why. So that's why this is a no-no. हम लोग इसको कुछ भी करके अब नहीं बचा सकते guys. It has a lot of glitter in the bottom, as you guys can see. But this slime already smells really bad and we cannot save the slime. It has, I think it has some mold in the bottom as well. So this is the no-no slime. We cannot save this one. And now I will show you guys a very nice example of which slime we guys can save. So this is the slime that we can save still. It doesn't have any mold or anything like that. It has been liquefied और इसकी स्मेल भी बिल्कुल नए जैसी स्लाइम की स्मेल है. इसमें कोई भी ग्रोस स्मेल नहीं है अभी तक. इट स्मेल्स लाइक सुपर नाइस स्टिल एंड मैंने इसमें कोई सेंट भी नहीं ऐड किया था. दिस इज वॉट वी आर गोइंग टू रेस्क्यू. इट इज ऑलरेडी सुपर नाइस, सो वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू एक्टिवेट इट and try to save this slime because this is just so beautiful and we have to save it. So yeah, let's take a bowl and let's try to fix this slime. So fantastics, now I am going to transfer all of this into the bowl. You guys can see it is all liquid now. It is not a slime, it's just a glue right now. So yeah, let's just take everything into here. So yeah, if we mix all the glitters, it still looks like a very nice slime because it is a very nice slime. I don't know, like it is a fairy slime probably. It looks super nice. It's definitely not a lot like galaxy slime. I think we can call it a BTS slime, but yeah, it is purple, light purplish in shade and it has a lot of glitters and probably that lots of glitters can represent armies. So you know, yeah, that looks amazing. It looks like Purple Ocean in BTS concerts a little bit. So now let's stop and let's try to activate this slime. It looks really really nice though. So yeah, we just need to add a little bit of stronger activator. So this is my Borax activator and in this the composition of this activator is 1.5 teaspoon of Borax in 1 cup of water. So yeah, it is a little bit strong so that our slimes can activate faster. So it is starting to get activated. Yeah, let's just add a little bit more. This is going to be fast forwarded, so enjoy. Sticks, as you guys can see, it is activated. Now I just need to knead it with my hands a little bit for it to activate fully. It is actually activated fully. And उसके बाद हम लोग इसको clear होने के लिए रख देंगे. This looks like so nice. Oh my god. You guys can see how nice it looks. I really love this slime so much. It is like literally my favorite slime. That's why I thought of giving it a BTS slime, because BTS are my favorite and this slime is also my favorite. So yeah, this has a very light tinge of purple which is like super nice and complementing. वो अभी इतना नहीं दिख रहा because of the bubbles, but हम लोग इसको अभी clear होने के लिए रख देंगे and it will get clear in like literally an hour. ये वाली स्लाइम बहुत जल्दी क्लियर होती है बिकॉज ऑफ दोज Amazon glues. सो इफ़ यू गाइज वांट दोज Amazon glues, you guys can check out from लो. एंड उसमें मेरे स्टोर में आप लोग क्लियर ग्लूज में जाके देखेंगे तो मेरे स्टोर में आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा, या फिर नीचे डायरेक्ट लिंक है, आप उससे भी जाके वो परचेज कर सकते हैं. विल हेल्प दिस चैनल आउट अ लॉट. सो या गाइस, लीव दिस स्लाइम टू सेट for an hour, or so yeah, we'll see how it looks after it gets cleared up. Fantastic. जो next slime हम लोग fix करने वाले हैं वो है ये slime, and I don't know what, but this slime does not look good at all. It is, I think, a clay slime. It is a clay slime. It is a butter slime, but it does not look very good, and it has weird bubbles on top. Don't get me wrong, it is still a very nice slime, but it's not a very nice looking slime. Like you guys can see, it's not there. I don't know why. It's just a weird texture. I don't know which video this is from, but I really don't know. Like I literally forgot which video this is from. So yeah, I am going to give this slime a makeover. This does not look very nice, and yeah, I would give this a very nice makeover. So now I am going to add a little bit of Fevicol into this, so we can make the slime a little bit bigger. And then I am going to add, since it has clay in it, so I will add a little bit of shaving foam as well. And you guys will see next कि मैं इसमें और क्या क्या add करने वाली हूँ. So yeah, let's see. Now let's add some Fevicol into this. I am adding this much of Fevicol, this whole bottle of Fevicol into it. I want the slime bigger but not too much, because हम लोग इसमें थोड़ा सा shaving foam add करने वाले हैं, but that will be super messy. So I chose this background because you know it's a lot easier to do on a table like this than in a bowl. So yeah, let's add all of our glue. And I also wanted the color to look, you know, a little bit less green. I wanted a little less greenish green, you know. This is just too much green. I wanted to be a little bit of a pastel green. So yeah, this is what I am doing right now. This is a little bit messy. So yeah. But still it is a lot of fun, and you guys can see the greenish color is going a little bit lighter. और हमें इसमें और ज़्यादा एक्टिवेटर ऐड करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. All of the glue is synced in, और स्लाइम अभी तक काफ़ी अच्छी खासी एक्टिवेटेड ही है. And I really like that about the clay slimes और the butter slimes कि वो ज़्यादा एक्टिवेटर यूज़ नहीं करते एक्टिवेट होने के लिए. They activate on themselves. And right now this is how the color looks. I think I need to add a little bit more glue and a little bit more shaving foam. So yeah, let's add that. So a little bit of glue and shaving foam will help the color to get even lighter. I just like super light green color. I don't know why, but yeah, let's mix. You guys can see how much glue I am adding, but this slime is just reactivating itself, which is like so nice. We don't need even more activator for this slime, which is like super good. And the slime is getting super thick, and pretty light in the color, and I really love this color right now. Add a little bit of shaving foam and make it, yeah, let's mix. This is literally so messy, but now I am in love with this texture. Oh my god. Now I don't have a kiwi scent, but I have a little bit of black glitter, and this will go like amazing in this slime. So I think I should add a little bit of black glitter into this and make this slime into a kiwi slime. So yeah, I am going to add a little bit of black glitter. Let's add. This looks super nice, my god. This doesn't look that great on the camera, but in real life it sparkles like something else. Let's mix this now. Why the camera is not focusing? It does look so nice right now. Oh my god, you guys. So fantastic. So you guys can see how it looks right now. The camera is not focusing, by the way. I don't know why. Yeah, you guys can see that, right? It looks so nice, but on the phone it looks a little bit dull, but in real life it looks so good, you guys. It looks amazing. I think it is looking nice on the camera as well, but soon I will post an ASMR of this slime and that clear slime, so you guys can see the difference in that. In the camera quality, you guys can see how beautiful they are looking. These are just amazing, you guys. I cannot. You guys can see how beautiful this slime looks. So nice, you guys. So yeah guys, that was all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the slime makeovers, and yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.